Okay, let's see what type of scam I can get up to here. Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me where the library is?
Yeah, I think it's over there.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's see what I've taken from his back pocket. God blimey, I've hit the jackpot. It's only a pass for a visiting Skrull spacecraft. It's my ticket to get out of this dump.
Welcome to Skrull Spacecraft 17B. If you'd like to take a seat.
Thank you very much.
My name is Dolly, and I'm here to serve.
Okay.
Please state any requirements you may have.
How about me flying this spacecraft?
Oh, that's a little unusual, but I think we can manage that. Use the big control stick and the whole rocket takes off. Use the small control stick and only the escape capsule takes off.
Right. I want the whole spacecraft to take off, so I'll pull the big control stick.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Here, what's happened? Only the escape capsule's taken off. It's only going to last 10 minutes in space.
Oh, silly old me, I forgot to say. Now small means big, and big means small in Skrull language.
Oh, God blimey, that means I should have pulled the other control stick. So what can we do now?
Well, we can plummet back down to Earth.
Well, that's all right for you, but I won't survive that.
Oh, dearie me, I'm so sorry to hear that. Oh, there is one other thing.
Yes?
Oh, silly me, I nearly forgot. Try the emergency button. Press the emergency button and the thinking device will appear.
A thinking device. Okay.
Now think about a brand new spacecraft you would like.
Okay. So I think about a spacecraft I would like.
Please put on your emergency spacesuit. We will now exit this capsule and float over to your new spacecraft. Thank you for flying with Skrull Spaceflights.
Wow! This is amazing! And it's still creating engine rooms and laser cannon rooms. The first thing I'm gonna do is blast that old space capsule to smithereens.
Oh, silly me, I nearly forgot. Now don't destroy or damage the old escape capsule. It's the only power source until this ship is fully complete.
Uh-oh.